Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Moto G56, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup. Okay, so let's open up our WhatsApp. Now let's click on those three dots in the top right corner, and now we can get access into the settings. Now simply find the chats. Now click on the chat backup. And now let's discuss a few things first. So let's begin with the Google account. In here, as you can see, we have the Google account that we are currently logged in the settings of our device. And on that account, the WhatsApp backup will be saved and stored. It is really important because in the future, if you want to restore your backup, you'll need to be logged into the same Google account that you have selected right in here. It's really important. If you want to add another account, click on add, and now I need to verify. Okay, and in here simply sign in into your other Google account, but if you want, you can also create a new one right in here. But in my case, I'm gonna leave it just like it is. Now below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option will be set on off, but you can pick between the daily, weekly, monthly, or only when it's at backup. So now currently it's on the weekly, and that means that each week the backup is automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. So it's pretty comfortable and convenient feature, but remember that you need to have some free storage space in your Google one if you want to create a backup each week. So in here select the option that you are interested in. Below we can enable to include the videos in our backup, because normally and defaultly this option will also be turned off, and you can see when it's turned on and the 8.4 megabytes will be backupped in my case. And now on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. If you turn it on, in here basically you create a unique password that you will need to type in the future if you will want to restore your chats. So if you choose to create it, please don't forget it, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. Okay, and now once everything is selected right in here, click on this green button, backup. Now the process will start, so let's simply wait. In my case it's not gonna take long because I don't have that many messages. And now, as you can see, our backup has been successfully made. Above the backup button we can see that the last backup was, as you can see, 1 minute ago, and we can also see the size of it. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.